Here is how you can add a voice recorder on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it, and if it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So it depends on your phone, because fresh out of the box, if you haven't deleted anything, there is a built-in app called Voice Recorder or Voice Memos, and it is part of the iPhone, developed by Apple, and it depends on what exactly you want to record, but for some basic and even a little slightly advanced stuff, I think that this app is going to be good enough. So in case you have deleted it from the phone, you can always re-download it back from the App Store. Just look up the Voice Memos and you can download it as an Apple app back to the phone. So that's definitely something which you can do to add the voice recorder. So that's definitely the first option. Outside of that, you might want to explore more options in here in the App Store. If you prefer something else, you can literally look up the audio recorder in here and perhaps find that a different app works or looks better than the one you use, so you can give it a try. Obviously, the built-in one from Apple is likely going to be superior because it's not ever going to ask you for any subscription or email or anything like that, but it is up to you to decide which app you want to use. So that's the first thing you can mean by that, but some people might also refer to the voice recorder on the calls. It is now possible in the latest iOS to record calls, and it is a feature which is part of the phone app, right? So you can most definitely do it. Obviously, you can go to the settings and the apps and phone, and there is the audio call recording, and you can enable it, right? And as you can see, this allows you to use the iPhone app to record conversation during the call and transcribe it in the Notes app. So you can enable it right here if you mean recording voice on the phone calls. But that is all for me. I hope I could explain it and help you out with this. Thanks a lot, and I will hopefully see you in the upcoming tutorials and more videos like this.